As a result, you feel happy and re-energized. Simply amazing. Apple cider vinegar is a super powerful alkalizing food. It contains much more than a regular apple can offer. By its chemical composition, apple cider vinegar is a true elixir of youth. It is a perfect mix of the most essential micronutrients, enzymes, vitamins, and pectins. My name is Oksana. A little bit of my favorite blend spice. If you want to regenerate and rejuvenate your body, you must add apple cider vinegar to your daily diet. Keep watching this video as I will share the exact kind of apple cider vinegar you want and the exact way you want to be taking it. My name is Oksana. I'm a registered nurse and a natural wellness coach, and you're on my No Prescription Needed channel, where I teach people how to eat their way out of any disease. I also teach that self-healing is not only possible, but it's easy. It all starts with food because we are what we eat. If this is what you want to do, hit the subscribe button. Let's start healing together. Diets high in carbs and animal products acidify our body. Acidity causes low-grade inflammation, which in turn causes chronic disease, chronic fatigue, sleep problems, obesity. Acidic plant-based foods, as opposed to acidic carbs and high animal products foods, alkalize our body. They help the body return to its natural balanced state. It may sound counterintuitive. Acidic tasting foods alkalize? Yes, this is how it works. Acidic to taste, but alkaline to touch. Apple cider vinegar is a fermented apple juice high in organic acids. It contains almost no sugar, as the bacteria that fermented it used it all up. This low sugar content, very much same like in lemons, makes apple cider vinegar much more effective compared to other acidic tasting fruits that contain sugar. The only apple cider vinegar that is healing is an unfiltered and unrefined apple cider vinegar with the mother. The mother are these floating clusters of the very same beneficial bacteria that created it. Who else loves beneficial bacteria in our body? Our gut, right? Apple cider vinegar is a superior cleansing and sanitation agent for our small and large intestines. It helps you get rid of decaying matter stuck in your gut, supports regeneration of gut microbiome, stimulates peristalsis, basically helps you move your bowels. There's one benefit I find particularly important about apple cider vinegar, as it reflects the modern world pandemic. I am referring to insulin resistance. Apple cider vinegar effectively balances your blood glucose. As a result, your pancreas makes less insulin. As a result, you feel less hungry. As a result, you skip a snack. As a result, you drop weight. As a result, your overall metabolism is rebalanced. As a result, you feel happy and re-energized. Simply amazing. Do you follow how everything is connected in our body? And how fixing one thing can lead to a spontaneous fix in all other body areas? If you're concerned about insulin resistance, have diabetes, extra weight you want to lose, here's how you want to take it. Where's my apple cider vinegar? Oh, here you are. Here's how you want to take your apple cider vinegar. A word of caution, you never want to drink it straight. You may burn your esophagus. Start with 1 teaspoon to a half a cup of water. I only have a tablespoon here, so I'm just giving it a little bit. And drink this 30 minutes before food, before each meal. Over the course of 2 weeks, you want to bring the dose of apple cider vinegar up to 1 tablespoon to same half a cup of water. And continue this regimen for 3 months. After that, you can just do a maintenance. Drink 1 tablespoon and half a cup of water in the morning on an empty stomach. Apple cider vinegar stimulates all digestive processes in our body. It is also antibacterial and antifungal, as it stimulates the production of white blood cells. When applied topically, it is good for all kinds of skin conditions, including wound healing. Now, if you suffer from frequent belching, you're going to want to hear this. There's this valve that separates your stomach from small intestine. And by design, it is supposed to be tightly closed, unless we're in a process of active food digestion. When this valve fails to tightly close after digestion, this is when we experience belching. Apple cider vinegar helps this valve stay snugly in place, so no more belching. If you have trouble falling asleep, try this apple cider vinegar remedy. Take 3 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, mix it with 1 teaspoon of raw unfiltered honey, 1/4 cup of water, mix it well, drink it 30 minutes before sleep, and watch your sleep dramatically improve. Bottom line is this: apple cider vinegar is a low-cost and high-healing food of nature that will support your body in its self-healing journey. Remember, self-healing is not only possible, but it's easy. Like this video and give me a follow if you want to do it together.